am here again with a new topic, that is vowel sound. So there are 26 letters in an alphabet A to Z. There are 26 letters in an alphabet. But there are some special letters that makes a magical sound. What they are called? They are called vowels. They are called vowels. So I am going to show you something. Just identify, okay? Which letter is this? A. Which letter is this? E. Which letter is this? I. Which letter is this? O. And which letter is this? U. A. E. I. O. U. So how many letters are there? 5 letters. How many letters are there? 5 letters. And these 5 letters are called vowels. These letters makes a magical sounds. Okay. So there are 5 vowels, 5 magical letters in the alphabet. So let's identify the sound of these letters. Sound of A is, can you guess? What is the sound of A? Okay, fine. Just look at here. Just identify the picture. Which picture is this? Apple. Just listen the sound. Apple. A says A. A says A. Apple. A says A. Apple. Apple. Next is E. E sound. Look at here, the picture of E. Egg. 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 E sound is eh. And this is I letter. I sound is, look at the picture, igloo. E, igloo. I sound is E, igloo. And next is O. O sound is orange. O says O. O sound is O. Last is U. I'll show you the action of U sound. Okay, you have to identify. U says okay, just identify the picture. Umbrella. U says umbrella. So these are the vowels. 5 vowels are there. A, E, I, O, U. It is very easy to learn how many vowels are there. I have or we have 5 fingers in one hand. Or 5 vowels are there in the alphabet. So it is very easy to learn how many vowels are there. Okay. So kids, all done about the today's topic. I hope it will be helpful for you. Just remember one thing. Firstly, you have to know the phonic sound. Okay. I hope you all have done your phonic sound. Okay. Till that, bye bye.